In industry field, price is never the priority. What truly matters is whether a machine can run stably for 5 years, 8 years, or longer. Choosing a supplier is essentially choosing long-term reliability. Such reliability depends on the manufacturing system itself. Hanan Yindu has focused on digital inkjet printing for over 30 years. Since we entered the industry, we have stuck to one core goal: building stable, sustainable, high-quality manufacturing capabilities. Today, Hanan Yindu has an 82,000 m²2 modern manufacturing base and a professional team of over 500 people. Including over 100 R&D, we produce over 20,000 machines every year, shipped worldwide continuously. With a complete manufacturing system, Yindu already formed production capacity for diverse processes and applications. Our workplace cover: DTF printer workplace, DTG printer workplace, UV flatbed printer workplace, UV DTF printer workplace, eco-solvent printer and sublimation printer workplace, powder shaker and sublimation flag printer workplace. From fuselage structure processing to core component manufacturing, from whole machine assembly testing to packaging, warehousing, and bulk delivery, from single machine manufacturing to complete line collaboration, form the complete inkjet printing production system. However, scale is never the goal. The system itself is our true core competency. Based on different application scenarios, Hanan Yindu has established a multi-brand collaborative system: Oddly, MyColor, WorldColor, and Yinstar. Under unified manufacturing standards, we achieve comprehensive coverage from equipment to solutions. At Hanan Yindu, R&D is never merely a department, but a continuously operating systemic capability. Our R&D team of over 100 people has long focused on optimizing equipment structure, control systems, and application solutions. All products iterations are based on data feedback from real production environments, rather than short-term performance stacking. From stability to efficiency then to long-term operational capabilities. Every technological advancement revolves around one core goal: making our customers' production more controllable and more efficient. Therefore, stability is never a coincidence. It is the result of meticulous refinement at every step. From strict control at the R&D and design stage, to rigorous selection of core components, precise management of complete machine assembly, then to repeated polishing and system tuning. Every process and procedure is incorporated into a standardized control system, leaving no room for oversight. All equipments must undergo more than 12-hour continuous non-failure operation testing before delivery, and only those that meet the standards can proceed to delivery. Safeguarding the fundamental guarantee of stability. Safeguarding the fundamental guarantee of stability. We not only optimize the machines, but also delve into the synergy between consumables and equipments. We provide customers with optimal consumable matching solutions to ensure more precise printing results, longer-lasting colors, and more controllable costs. In quality and management systems, Yindu consistently aligns with international standards. Our equipment has passed 3C certification, EUC International Certification, ISO 9001 International Quality Management System Certification, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification. Backed by these multiple authoritative certifications, we meet both domestic and international safety and compliance standards, and ensuring product quality control and environmentally friendly production processes at the same time. For the customers, the real cost is never the equipment itself, but rather downtime, rework, and slow after-sales response. Yindu has built a comprehensive after-sales service system. Professional technical support team, rapid response feedback, remote guidance and problem checking, full lifecycle customer services. We not only deliver the equipment, but also take responsibility for its long-term operation. In the global market, Yindu has built overseas warehouses and localized service networks, covering Europe, America, South America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, with local stock of equipments and spare parts. This means shorter delivery cycles, faster parts supply, and more stable production support. From made in China to global delivery, which shorten the distance to serve you. Today, Yindu's equipment is in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. Meanwhile, Yindu has always been active at global exhibitions. We continuously participate in professional industry exhibitions at domestic and abroad, presenting real equipments, technologies, printing effects, and complete solutions directly to global customers for on-site inspection. At exhibitions, customers see not just machines, but a complete solution covering printing effects, production efficiency, process applications, and follow-up service support. A seamless closed loop. R&D, manufacturing, overseas warehouses, after-sales support drastically lowers your operational risk. Equipment is not just something to buy, but the tool that creates value day after day, year after year. If you're looking for the lowest price, a short-term trial, then Yindu may not be for you. But if you need equipment that runs reliably for the long term, a partner you can grow with, solutions that support your business expansion, then what you're seeing right now is the answer. At Yindu, our direction has always been clear. We pioneer new frontiers in digital printing. We build a global platform to incubate partners. We deliver higher value technology to customers worldwide. We put customers at the center, creating value for them. And we empower every Yindu family member to live a happy, dignified life. Our values: happiness, sincerity, practicality, innovation. Our philosophy: craftsmanship, integrity. Customer first, wholehearted service. Choosing equipment means choosing the stability of your production for years to come. And stability, that's a capability we manufacture. Choose Yindu. We are your best long-term partner. Printing world, all in Yindu.